Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing another nail video. So I did come up with this milk bath type of design. I've been seeing a lot of these videos here on YouTube, and I really wanted to try it. In the video, I did do two different designs because the first one I kind of messed up, and this is the one I kind of came up with in the end. So if you guys want to see how I do this, keep on watching. The first thing we're going to start off with is prepping the nail, and I got this really good nail bit for the cuticle. I will link all the products I use below. This nail bit gets all the dead skin and everything off your cuticles and just makes them look perfect. So definitely try out this cuticle bit. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. Now I'm just filing away the shine off of my natural nail. And don't file too much because you don't want, your super thin like nail beds, okay? So just give it a nice little file. And I'm using these square tip clear nail tips. And I got these from Amazon or either eBay. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I will link all the products below. And I'm just going to do a dab of glue on that tip and go ahead and place it on my nail. Now, doing your own nails, you guys, be careful not to make any of your tips crooked. Definitely, look at it far away from your face before, letting it dry all the way down, just so you can correct any errors fast before it's set. Okay, so these are the tips, and I'm gonna leave my nails long. I'm leaving it the full length, not doing any cutting. And as you guys can see here, I'm just blending in the tip with my natural nail. Now this step is optional, but this is the way my nail tech used to do it, so that's how I do it. Shout out to you, Peachy. And yeah, just go ahead and blend in your tips. And this just helps like your nails look like more seamless if they're gonna be like crystal clear. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our Gelish Pro Bond. I switched between this one and Mia's Secret. They both work the same to me, but I love this. Like, my nails are stuck, they're like cement. I never get lifting when I use this one or either Mia's Secret. And now I'm using my Mia's Secret pink balance. It's kind of like the same as clear with like a hint of pink. You can't even tell it's pink. And I'm just doing my thumb and my ring finger clear. So I like to use this, and I'm doing the 4-ball method, and I like to put one down, blend it down, and then I put the other one right above that. And I learned how to do this from a nail tech here on YouTube. I will link her below so you guys can watch her to learn how to do nails. She definitely taught me all these techniques. And yeah, this is just how I do my basic acrylic application. If you guys want a video with me explaining that more in detail, I will do it. But I like to use the 4-ball 4-bead method because I don't know, it's just easier for me, and I'm still a beginner, so I'm learning just what techniques I like. But this seems to work the best for me. It comes out with the perfect apex and the perfect thickness every time. Now we're going to take some dried flowers, and I'm starting off with a bead of this like milky white acrylic, and I just like to place that down the same way. And while that acrylic is still wet, I'm going to pick up some of my flowers and leaves and all that type of stuff and just press it into the acrylic while it's wet. Now, doing the milk bath technique, I like to apply acrylic and flowers a little bit at a time. As you guys can see, I'm going to start dipping into the acrylic just to kind of encapsulate the flowers, because I wanted some of it peeking through, and then I wanted some of the flowers like bold and in your face. So you'll see me add acrylic as I go. And this is just a technique I learned from watching other nail techs. I'm pretty sure it's a whole bunch of ways to do milk bath nails, but this is the easiest that I've seen. So yeah, just apply acrylic as you go, apply flowers as you go, as you guys can see me doing here. And then at the end, you do want to encapsulate this in clear, so I don't make it super thick. I try to keep that white milky acrylic kind of thin, because with milk bath nails, it's probably really easy to make your nails bulky. So be aware of that. That's something I'm still learning. For some reason, you guys, I'm so heavy-handed with product. I need to learn how to do my nails thinner, okay? Because they're thick, okay? These things, they won't, I could slam my hand in the door and these won't break because they're so thick. So yeah, just do little by little with the acrylic, slowly building the white on top of the flowers just to get that look that you want. This is really a, you know, freestyle type of design. When doing milk bath, you can really do what you want. And I did have to build up some of the flowers on my nail because I ran out of the full flowers, but that was okay. Now I'm just touching up my shape. I'm doing a tapered square type of shape. That's how I always wear my nails. I'm gonna do a different shape one of these days. Now I'm gonna just use my nail bit and just smooth out my nails around the cuticle and just give it you know, just a little touching up my shape and just making everything nice and crisp and perfect. Now I'm going to grab my IBD hard gel, and I like to use this as like rhinestone glue. It works really, 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 really good. So I'm just putting a little dabble of that on the nail, and I'm placing down these really shiny rhinestones, you guys. Like, they are so pretty. I love these rhinestones, and they're kind of like multicolored, so I thought it tied in really pretty with the milk bath nails, okay? So I put that on there. I'm trying to get it nice and straight. There we go. And I'm going to cure my nails for, I think I cured it for a minute. And that is how it looked when it came out. And now I'm going to apply my top coat. So right here, you guys, I don't know what went wrong, but when I applied my top coat to my clear nails, my ring finger and my thumbnail, it just wasn't crystal clear. It was foggy, and I don't know what I did wrong. I was kind of shocked, like when I did my nails, like when I painted on the clear and it wasn't crystal clear, I was just like, what did I do wrong? So if you are like an experienced nail tech and you're watching this, I don't know why you would be, but leave me some tips below. I don't know what I did. As you guys can see, look how foggy that is. It was a pretty design, but it was so foggy. And the perfectionist in me, you guys, like, I literally couldn't take it. So the next day, I drilled off all of that acrylic, and I went in with my Mia Secret Clear and some glitter, okay? So I had to think of a design super last minute so my nails isn't looking like crazy. And I just did, like, the 4 bead method. I'm going to dip into the glitter. And now I'm just going to apply that like normally. I thought an encapsulated glitter nail would look cute as well with the milk bath design. The glitter is like the same color as the flowers. So that's what I did to, you know, just tie the whole design together because I kind of didn't feel like doing 4 more milk bath nails because milk bath nails are a lot of work. But it's been about 2 weeks since I did these nails, and you guys, I'm ready to do milk bath on those 4 nails. So when I do my fill-in, I'm gonna just make all of the nails milk bath, okay? So now I'm just cleaning up my shape like you guys seen me do before. Really simple, not too much here. And once I was done, you know, cleaning up my shape and smoothing out my nail, making sure around my cuticle and everything was perfect, I did go in and put some rhinestones on my nail. And this time I did different rhinestones. I did like a diamond shaped rhinestone and another rhinestone that looked like a flower. And this time I only used my top coat as like a rhinestone glue. So I just painted that on first, and then I placed down my rhinestones. I didn't use the IBD gel this time. And this holds really well. You know, it still holds really strong, the same as the IBD gel. And now I just cured it for 60 seconds. And, you know, I was really happy with this design. I thought it was really cute. I went ahead and put some cuticle oil on because I was kind of ashy. So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys enjoyed this. I'm really loving nails, you guys. Like, I'm diving into it. I've been doing so many different people nails, just my friends and family, but they've been turning out so cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen some of them. So yeah, you guys, I'll be doing more videos. I think I'm going to post a watch me work really soon. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.